Hey guys, I'm gonna try to fire this GM up. I have a decently, this thing is so heavy, man, it's ridiculous just to grill for it. I'm gonna try to fire this GM up today, like right now. But like I said, I got a decently warm day. It's not too great out, but I got this to click, so I'm gonna try it, and we're gonna see what we got. Hopefully, I can get something out of it. Try fan. We already know the fan works from before. There we go. Typical AJ, loud on startup. I bet you any amount of money it quiets down though. Yep, I already got a warm coming out the back. That actually feels really good right now, believe it or not. That's cold. Nice and warm out the back. I'm actually digging that more than the cold right now, believe it or not. I don't know if I ever told you guys this, but I really don't like the cold weather too much. That's really cold blowing out there, damn. I bet you got 70 degrees out here. Not great, not bad. It did fire right up though. Damn it. Told you it wasn't gonna last long. At least you got to hear it.